used to work as an accountant and a tax advisor, and people think that we basically just record things like a bank account does in the set of accounts, but it's actually way more complicated than that. We have to record several things in the period that they actually relate to. So for instance, if you are paying for 12 months in one go, we need to make sure that we hold off a portion of that each month to then fall into the correct month. And we also need to make sure that we account for costs in the month before they've even turned up in it. So we might be billed for a whole year in the future, but we need to make sure we reflect that within the month that it actually happens. Every time we enter something into the business accounts, we actually make 2 entries. These here must be balanced. Now, it could be that this just affects one account, but this, affects several accounts. But either way, balancing the books is about making sure that these 2 things match and that there are 2 entries for every transaction that happens in the business. And these are referred to as debiting and crediting. So for instance, we might credit the bank, we might remove some money from the bank, but then we need to make sure that we debit the expense account that it relates to. And then the debits and credits are equal and the books are balanced. If you found this interesting and you'd like to hear more little fun accounting shenanigans from me, then let me know in the comments, because it might be some content that I'll look into making in the future.